Welcome students.
We are excited to announce our free online classes for placement preparation, GATE and Nptel courses.
Hello students. So today again we are coming to our next lecture, that is the data structure with Python, and today we will solve many questions. These are very important for your placement as well as for your NPTEL courses. Okay, so today first question what they have asked, what does h means a function and this is the value of x, it is returning. Okay, so your function def h of x means 27993, and what is the meaning of this? You are initializing d is equal to at first 1 and n is equal to, you are updating n is equal to 0. This is the meaning of this. Okay, n is equal to 0. So now while d is less than x, update the value of d is equal to d into 3 and update the value of n is equal to n plus 1 and return the value n at last. He is asking what is n actually. So now you can see here, at first n is equal to 0, so d is equal to d into 3. Initially what is d? D is equal to 1. So in this condition n is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is the same value. Now here we are asking, so n is equal to n plus 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So after then d is equal to, next time your d is equal to d. What was d? Initially d was 1. So 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so now you can see this is the 3 is less than this. Yes. Now second time n is equal to 2, because n is equal to n plus 1 you have to update every time. Okay, so now d is equal to again d into 3. So what was d? D was 3. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So your new value is 9. 9 is less than this. Yes. So similarly you have to update, continue. Once you are reaching n is equal to 10. So now d is equal to 3 into the previous value. So that is the previous value 19683 into 3. Okay, so the value is equal to this. This is greater than this. So now you stop. Here you stop. So the value of n is equal to 10. This is the final answer for this question. Okay, so this question we solved. Now we are going to the next question. So what is the next question? Next question what they asked, what is g? G means g is a function, and minus g 48, g 60 minus g 48 for the given function. Okay, so now your function is equal to def gn means this value 60 and 48. S is equal to 0, you initialize s is equal to 0, and your for loop is working from I in range 2 to n, means 2 to 60. 60 means not 60, 59. At first it will work 2 to 59. Then second time g of 48 it will work 2 to 47. Okay, so at first you are calling this function, then you are calling this function, then you have to subtract the value. So every time after calling this function, every time if n divided by I is equal to 0, remainder is 0, then increase the value of s is equal to s plus 1 and return the value s. So what is the meaning of this actually? If you will see, you are finding total divisor of 60. So total divisor of 60 is equal to these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Out of this value I will remove and this value I will remove. Why? Because I am starting my loop 2. Okay, I am starting from here and I have to reach up to 59, not 60. It means that total divisors are from here to here. These are total 10 divisors. Okay, now second we are working for 48. So how many divisors for 48? Total divisors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. But you know that 48 it will never consider because your loop is working from 2 to 47. So we have to remove 48. Similarly we have to remove 1 also because our loop is working from 2 to 48, 47. So total divisors are 8. Total divisors are 8. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. This is the final answer. Okay, I think that you understand. If you little bit information about the C programming or C++, then this is very easy to understand. Now the third question, we are not wasting the time. We are solving the third question. So now see here, third question. Consider the following function f. Function is def fn, s is equal to 0, I is working from 1 to n plus 1. Okay, this time. If n, now this question is very good. If n, what is the meaning of this? So now you can see whenever you are dividing I, okay, any number. Suppose I am dividing the number 2 and suppose here 7. 2 3 ja 6. So what is this? This is 1. So what is this? This is the remainder. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. This is the quotient. This is the divisor. This is the divisor. And this is the dividend. This is the dividend. Okay, dividend. So what is the formula? Formula is equal to, I want this. I want this. So 7 is equal to 2 into 3. 7 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1. Okay. So what is 2? So this is dividend. So dividend. Okay, I am writing DIVD. Okay, dividend is equal to, after then divisor, I am writing divisor. DIV, I am a divisor into, what is this? 3. 3 means quotient. I am writing only Q plus R. This is the formula. Okay, if you have done your high school, this is the formula. Now what is here actually? So this double, this n divided by I, this is indicating quotient actually. Okay, the answer is quotient. Answer is the quotient. This is this one. Okay, and this remainder, how to get remainder? If you are writing n divided by I. Okay, so by the help of this symbol, okay, this operator or these tools, you are getting remainder. You are getting remainder, and by the help of this, you are getting quotient. I think that you understand. Now what he is asking, this question he is asking, we are tricky question. Now see here, suppose you are dividing any number I. You are dividing any number I, n, and what he is writing here, n divided by I, again I am getting I, and here n divided by I am getting 0. Okay, now listen here, and in between I have written, and means both must be correct. So what is the meaning of this? If I am dividing n by I, quotient must be same and remainder must be 0. What is the meaning of this? N is equal to I square, means divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 0. Okay, what is the meaning of this? N is equal to I square. So meaning is we have to find such value that is n is equal to I square, and this is only perfect square. What are the perfect square? 1, 4, 9, 16, okay, or 25. These are the perfect square. I am writing only some example. Suppose I am taking this example. Now see here, if you divide 5, okay, 25, 5 5 ja 25, remainder is 0. So what is the meaning of this? 25 is equal to 5 square plus 0. Okay, so 5 into divisor into quotient is equal to 25 plus remainder. I think that you understand. So now this is possible only for the perfect square. This is the final answer. By the help of reading only this line, you can understand what is the program. So if a number is divided by I, again you are getting I, means quotient is I and remainder is 0, it means that is the perfect square. Okay, this is the perfect square. So no need to write the other. So this is the answer. Now next he is asking fourth question. You have a function def and function name is 4 n m is equal to 0, return 0, else m is equal return m plus 4 m minus 1. So this question is very good. I will solve the question here. So now see here what we have written. We have written m plus f. I am writing not 4, I am writing f, and I am writing m minus 1. I am writing n minus 1. This is your function. Okay. So now see here. Now see here. See here. So now see here. Suppose I am writing m is equal to 5. I am writing m is equal to 5. I am writing. So okay. Suppose m is equal to 5. So what is the meaning of this? We have at first m. So in place of m I am writing 5. So 5 plus f of 4. Okay. So just leave it. Now here 4 plus f of 3, because 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now next 3 plus f of 2. Okay, next again. So 2 plus f of 1. Okay, now next 1 plus f of 0. Okay, so this is a function m plus f of m minus 1. Now see here, when this is 0, then this is 0. Now this is value 0. Again you are calling this is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So return value is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this return will come here. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This return will come here. This return will come here. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So this return will come here. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. This is the final answer. Actually, what is this 15? See here. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is the sum of the natural number, and this is n into n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, this is the final answer. Now this is the final answer. Now see here, another question he is asking. Suppose we have a negative number. Suppose I am taking negative number minus 5. So minus 5 plus f of minus 5 plus 1 minus 6. Okay, now again this one minus this one minus 6 plus f of minus 7. So what is going on? This value continue, it is going up to infinite. So this is not working for the negative. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is the function will terminate for the non-negative value, and it will be, the answer will be, time complexity will be n into n plus 1 upon 2, sum of the natural number. Means time complexity will be order of n square. So this is wrong. Why? This is not working for the negative number. Okay, this is wrong answer. Okay, so I think that you understand all the questions. Similarly, we will upload all the answers one by one. And if you are enjoying our lecture, then our request to everyone that please check all the questions. Okay, we will send you one by one. Okay,
join our learning community and start your journey towards success.
Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.